Using the AM2 platform with an AM5 socket as an example, first take out the heatsink and make sure to remove the protective sticker from the bottom. Install the AM2 platform motherboard's clip bracket. Align the heatsink mounting holes with the clips on both sides of the motherboard for installation. Secure one side first, then press down the heatsink to secure the clip on the other side. Plug the heatsink's 3-pin power cable into the CPU fan socket on the motherboard. Connect the USB interface to the corresponding port on the motherboard, as shown in the video. Next are the installation steps for the Intel 1700 platform. First, take out the accessory package and remove the accessories inside. Then take out the bracket. Note that the labels on the slots 1366, 17X, A115X represent different platforms. The brackets also have labels for 1700 and 1200. Take out the transparent clips from the accessories and install them in the corresponding slots according to the platform label. After installing the clips on all 4 corners, choose the corresponding slot, adjust the bracket direction, and then install it on the motherboard. Finally, take the black mounting screws and install them into the bracket slots. Don't forget to apply thermal paste to the CPU. Next, take the heatsink and remove the protective sticker from the bottom before installation. Secure one clip first, then press down the heatsink to fix the other clip. Plug the 3-pin power cable into the corresponding CPU fan socket on the motherboard. Connect the USB interface to the corresponding motherboard socket as shown in the video. This concludes the installation tutorial for the KF200 on various platforms.